here to demonstrate against planned demolition of the historical NYANCHWA Church, grabbing of NYANCHWA mission land, corruption, mismanagement of the institutions of NYANCHWA, hospital and schools, among others. Our grandfathers, led by pioneer Pastor Paul Nyamwea, donated over 42 acres of land to Seventh-day Adventist missionary work to advance Adventism in Kenya and East Africa. We are so disappointed to learn that the leaders of South Kenya Conference, led by Pastor Paul Kiage, President, Pastor Leonard Ayencha, Secretary, Pastor Elijah Onyancha, Treasurer, have aided corruption, land grabbing, mismanagement of the schools and the hospital for personal and selfish gain. Therefore, we demand as follows: stop the planned demolition of the historical NYANCHWA Church. 2. Land survey and amalgamation of all church land and to be registered under NYANCHWA Church community. Asset audit and registry of all church assets. Human resource audit, since most of the staff employed at the hospital and school lack proper qualification to offer quality services, thus poor performance of our institution. We have reached out to the leadership of NYANCHWA South Kenya Conference for the last 1 year, and they have not listened to us. We are going to their offices until we have decided that we go this route of demonstration. We are going to demonstrate every week, and as you have been told, we are going to take further steps to close these gates until they listen to us and address our issues, to stop land grabbing, to mismanage, and to interfere with NYANCHWA SDA Church.
That's all. Grievances over this institution, NYANCHWA, and as you all know that for the last 3 months or 2 months ago, now this hospital is not operating because it's under corruption. SHA thing is affected now the treatment, and we as the locals around, we are not happy. We are feeling so much neglected, so much like segregated. We are not into any discussions or into any agreement. So we are also made to understand that this land, which is a communal land, is registered under a company, which I will not mention now, but we are having some clues that this NYANCHWA Adventist and NYANCHWA Health Center now is under somebody's land. And it's limited. You know, when it's limited, we feel that it's somebody's. So the management are supposed to sit with the community who gave this land to the church first. Then the church gave the mission schools and the health center. They should respect the church. We are told that now this missionary school is now evacuating the church from where it is, which is actually a monument, to another place so that they can put some dormitories and what have you there, meaning business for their own benefit. So actually we are not happy. We shall be having same demonstrations until these members who are here, officials, said to come and address us and tell us why this land is now limited and like the way it used to be before.
Ene warning twabaire kutaka next week kosie katore chiskuru cheito no ene kanisa officially obatira tore ekobere ene gento gito tokero onye baoneri arabombaje batote nango baonera tinane ngatuba kubu obono bore muboko konya kero monta abo momenyo yo gweta yo tari gweta skuru ere kochaka next week na tari mangana siasa tari mangana ko kore ruwe ko sori ekenege ndo toko fight kera konya abande mwambi abande ntobugate chikasi lakini toko rwanira bari batabugate.
Whatever has been said should be done or shall be done. There is no negotiation that we are going to do with this case. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. All 10 our churches, there is a problem in Kisi.
Kuanzia next week tunafunga SDA zote.
Conference, South Kenya Conference. There is a problem, and we are going to keep on demonstrating until we fulfill our promise.
It was 42 acres that were donated by our grandfather for the main purpose of our mission, which is education, health, and missionary evangelism. But now what is like they have annexed, we are remaining with around 24 acres only. The other one they are doing subleasing and leasing within themselves here. So we want that to stop. We want good management of the hospital. As you've been told, it is not working at 100% capacity because the SHA is not working. So even you can see there are no patients here. Secondly, we want to audit the human resource in this hospital because nobody from the community is employed here or offering any services.
And qualified staff.
So even the persons who are leading this hospital, they are not qualified. So all those human resources are supposed to be audited. And the company, we demand to be told who is the owner of this company that the hospital land is registered under. But again, as you've been told, we are taking also legal action. We have already done it, and we will invite you when the case is being called upon, and we will follow the proceedings.
Thank you very much. My name is Pastor Job Obara, the Communication Director for South Kenya Conference. I also dub up as the Youth Ministries Director, the Music Director, and the Voice of Prophecy, apart from my communication docket. I want to acknowledge that there has been a concern here today, and so far we have been seated in a committee meeting from morning up to now, but we had the noise at the gate. I've seen some placards there which I don't know what they are saying, but I heard and I've been called along with the other leaders what is happening. I want to recognize their concerns from members of the NYANCHWA community, but let me say there is a complete misunderstanding and misrepresentation of information. Thank you very much. And let me add that we have nothing much that we can say at the moment, because some of the things which I've heard is that NYANCHWA land has been sold. It's not sold. Some people have allocated themselves land in NYANCHWA. It's not. This is a lease land, and lease land is not community land. It is county government land, and we are responsible